Stop. Read the sentence.
You are a player.
You are.
A player.
Okay, take out another. You did this.
We are watching movie.
We are watching
Movie.
a movie. So, which is the verb?
Watching.
Watching. And is there helping verb in the sentence?
Yes.
Which is?
Are.
Are. So, helping verb is in this sentence are. You are watching a movie. So, are is a helping verb. That's great. Okay. Yes, start. 3, 4, 5. Stop. Yes, read the sentence. Rafe is studying. Yes. So which is the verb in this sentence? Is. Very good, very good. Is a main verb or a helping verb? Very good, main verb. Very good. Yes. Now start. Start. 3, 4. Okay. Which is the verb in this sentence?
Do.
Do. Very good. Is this a main verb or a helping verb?
Main verb.
Main verb. Very good. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop.
We are students.
Take out another one.
You are a player.
You are a player. So which is the verb?
Are.
Are. Is it a main verb or a helping verb?
Main verb.
Main verb. Can you make a helping verb? Can you make another sentence using helping verb? Okay.
You are playing a game.
You are playing a game. That's great. Now move forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Yes, take out one slip. Read the sentence. Yes.
I am tall.
I am tall. I am. Which is the verb in this sentence? Which is the verb? Am. Very good. Very good. Am is a main verb or a helping verb? Is this a main verb or a helping verb?
Main verb.
Okay.